Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Goodnight, Moon by Margaret Wise Brown and Clement Hurd. Please enjoy. Goodnight, Moon. In the great green room, there was a telephone, a red balloon, and a picture of the cow jumping over the moon, and the three little bears sitting on chairs. And two little kittens and a pair of mittens and a little toy house and a young mouse. And a comb and a brush and a bowl of mush. And a quiet old lady who was whispering hush. Goodnight, room. Goodnight, moon. Goodnight, cow jumping over the moon. Goodnight, light in the red balloon. Goodnight, bears and goodnight, chairs. Goodnight, kittens and goodnight, mittens. Goodnight, clocks and goodnight, socks. Goodnight, little house and goodnight, mouse. Goodnight, comb and goodnight, brush. Goodnight, nobody. Goodnight, mush. And goodnight to the old lady whispering hush. Goodnight, stars. Goodnight, air. Goodnight, noises everywhere. Wow. Wasn't that a cute story? Yeah, do you ever wish things in your room good night? Let me know in the comment box if you ever wish things good night in your room. Just curious if you ever do that. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here, and if you did, can you give it a thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button down below, or hit that thumbs up button for me. Can you do that for me, please? I would love that if you could do that for me. Also, if you're new and you came along this book reading, hey, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell if you can, and whenever I upload a reading video, you will be notified about it. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading will be over. Have a fantastic one, and thanks for watching, everybody, and take care.